How you going, guys? Steve here from Australian 4x4 Adventures again, and day 2, part 2. We're going to say essentially today's the second day. If you didn't see day 1, link up in the description here, or in the side, go have a look at it and see what you think. Then you can watch day 2. So today, I think we're doing Billy Goat Bluff. It's going to be fantastic. Beautiful blue skies today, so it's going to be absolutely spectacular views up there. Jace, what do you think of yesterday, man?
Yeah, it was great. Great to get up to Blue Rag again.
You've done it all before, haven't you?
Yeah, done Blue Rag, Crooked River. It's always great to get the boots wet. 27 odd drop-ins, and then we've got a couple more left to get to Kingswell. Yep. Billy Goats this morning. Can't wait.
I'm looking forward to Billy Goats.
Yeah.
You know what else we're doing today, or?
Billy Goats, Pinicals, of course.
You can't get a Billy Goats without going to Pinicals. It's a thing.
We might sneak in Mount Wellington if we can.
Yeah,
maybe.
I'm not sure if I've actually been there.
You got Miller's Hut on the back side of it. Yeah. Then we've got Arbuckle left. Yep. Dingo Hill.
Dingo Hill's a good track.
Haven't done Dingo Hill, so I'm looking forward to doing that.
Yeah, I've done Dingo Hill this time last year. Mint track. It was good.
Yeah. Well, you're talking about all these steps, so bring it on. Bring it on.
We'll have a look later. Cool, let's go. Breakfast of Champions?
98 it is. Popcorn. Come to watch the show, mate. Yeah, the entertainment.
You gotta bet that one. A lot of it's great.
Look at the other one.
She leaving us 10 beers?
11. 11. Sure, I counted that there was 12. Oh! Yeah.
Oh wow, that's all right.
That was mine, wasn't it? The 12? Yeah. Use 2 pieces of wire, just in case you turn your car off on the way out and you need a jump start. Better hang on to that.
So you just seen the crossing of the McAllister River there. This is McAllister, no?
Yes, the Wannagatta.
Wannagatta? McAllister?
Wannagatta.
Wannagatta, there.
Wannagatta.
I just look. We're having a debate.
Wannagatta.
Where's the...
This McAllister's over.
Wannagatta, alright, it's on the phone. Wannagatta. Alright, so just crossed the Wannagatta River. That's pretty cool. Some dogs as well, they're cool. What do you think, Jace? Cool river, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's great. It was great to get a couple of 2-ship formations going, had the drones up as well, with 2 or 3 drones.
You guys will be seeing all that footage now, it's epic.
Yeah, It's special. It's cool just doing those last 3-4 crossings on this side of the Crooked River as well.
Yep.
Billy Goat's next.
That's cool. It's got some awesome stuff up there. So
Yeah.
this is just an awesome place to camp though as well. Like,
it is.
Coming down here, family, kids, there's a whole bunch of people here already.
Well, you got the epic Kingswell Bridge in the background there. Not sure if you can pan around and get that.
That's pretty cool as well. I didn't actually get any shots of that. That can be an next trip. We'll come back and get some shots of the old Kingswell. It's a cool little bridge. Dog ran the wrong way. Look at him go. He's so confused.
Over there, bud. Over there.
Oh. Alright, let's head to Billy Goat's and get some action in.
Let's do it, Steve-o.
Let's go. Right, bud, what are we in for?
We're going uphill, mate.
Uphill?
Uphill, up Billy Goats, then up to the fire tower.
Nice. So what are we in store for on the track? What's it like? You've driven it?
Yeah, a couple of times, but it's been graded recently, so it's not so bad anymore.
I think that took out the hard section.
Yeah, that's it. So it should be alright for you now, mate.
But it'll be the last time you get to drive it because you'll have a Nissan after this,
That's
so
true.
you won't make it. So.
You'll have to pull me up next time, mate. But no, it should be good.
Cool. Get some killer views up the top there.
Oh, mate, they're awesome. Hey, that little look out just before you get to the top.
Yep, and that ridge line going over the top. Hopefully get some footage of that.
Yeah. Got the missus driving, her first time driving it, so
Ooh, that'll be cool.
yeah, it's something different.
There you go. All you wives out there and girlfriends,
Have a crack.
here we go. Yeah,
What's the worst that can happen? Well,
On this track a fair bit.
Stay tuned then, eh?
Alright, let's give this a go.
I think it's a really important one. Keep an eye on those pressures. From, wake up in the morning, they're all cold, they'll drop. As you saw this morning, I sort of ramped mine up a bit. They got down to 14 actually this morning. So, and you look at that. I mean, they're just chewing out. So, drop them back down, find some more grip, save your tyres. Bit of traction.
There you go. Tyre pressure tips. So this is the helipad halfway on Billy Goats. So it's just a little knoll of area up here. It's actually kind of cool. You get an awesome view of the track back there. I hope you can see it somewhere there. It's literally at the halfway point. Some awesome track so far. Hopefully I've just got a bit of GoPro footage of that for you. It's too narrow and steep to try and get in and out to try and set the camera up. So hopefully the GoPro's doing its job. But certainly, definitely a photo point here. You can pretty much see like everywhere, just on this one part, and obviously you can see up there that the bluff itself, and then the pinicals. Pinicals are the really big one over there. So we'll be up there as well. Send the drones up, do some cool stuff. So we're about halfway up the second section now. See the helipad back behind us there? It's a freaking awesome track. What do you reckon so far?
Oh, it's great fun. Just ignore that amateur driving just a second ago. That was bouncy.
That's the best driving he's done all weekend. I don't know what he's on about.
Terrible. Yeah, it's great down there, isn't it?
Phenomenal. Absolutely fantastic views. You just don't get this anywhere else.
Love it. Love it.
Let's go up the top.
Let's do it.
This is it, top of Billy Goats. How is that for a bloody view? So that view just keeps on going. That has got to be one of the best views ever. As much as make good footage, please don't fall.
Oh, what a view. It's well worth it. Anybody that hasn't been, you must come. Billy Goat is a must.
The first time Billy Gator.
Oh yeah, it is absolutely
amazing.
awesome.
He can edit it to say Australian 4x4.
Yeah, I'm wearing his jumper.
So at the pinnacles, to get up to the top there's just a little trail to walk up. Hand railing here to grab onto. You can see the phone tower there behind me. A bunch of solar panels keep it all going. The ranger's office and accommodation down there. Essentially when they're staying up here, that's where they'll bunker in. So this is just a fire tower up the top here. I'll show you when we get there. I'll show you this track. Some pretty big steps there. You almost need the hand railing. So essentially during the summer months, they'll sit up in the fire tower and we've got coordinates the whole way around the room, and if they see smoke off in an area they can radio it in, give them an exact direction from where they're sitting, an approximate distance, so then they can either aerial bomb it or send a crew in there. I'm really unfit apparently. Alright, let's get up the top. Yeah, pinnacles, first time, what do you reckon?
Wicked. Absolutely just mind-blowing, really.
Worth the effort?
100%.
It's an amazing view, isn't it?
Oh, just 360 views. Oh.
Gotta get on the sunset.
First time pinnacles.
Yes, I'll
Yes.
tell you what, that last 100 metres from the car park's a bit of a climb. Lucky I bought a beer for the trip up here. So I'm just kicking back, enjoying the view, soaking it all in, having a bev. Mint, absolutely mint. That picturesque. Just come up and have a look.
Top weekend. First time with you guys, and it's just been brilliant.
Great
Back
sessions.
again, yeah, back again for sure.
Brilliant. You can stand up here for hours and
Easy,
Oh,
easy.
he's soaking it in.
Yeah,
just watching the hills just roll and
just nature, mate. Just, yeah, can't beat it.
Mother Nature doing a good job.
Yeah, even weather-wise, it's been brilliant for us.
So what'd you do?
Oh, we just had 10 beers at another camp. Yeah. We caught up with you guys again, you know, it's just moseying along, taking your time.
Oh, it's high country, you can't rush these things.
Oh yeah, Corey thinks he's a rally driver. I don't know why, he thinks that he has to do 110.
Because he's in a Hilux, you've got no other choice. Drive it hard or go home, really.
Oh yeah, and he's young.
Yeah, exactly right. Balls the size of something big.
Yeah,
I've got no idea.
and a brain the size of a pea.
Yeah, well, it just all sort of falls out in India.
Yeah.
You lose it all.
Better view, mate. That or this mug? Probably that.
Definitely that.
To the left is better.
What are we up to, mate? Hey.
Try and turn this off.
Yeah.
Try and turn it. Press the button.
Go for a swim.
What are these
The
clowns?
river. Yeah.
Snow melt water, mate. How can it go wrong?
It's not going to be cold at all. Going in?
Yeah, oh hell yes, going for a spa over there.
I don't reckon. One go.
Here we go. It's like a magician. He's going in for his magic trick.
Like a diamond cut. I'm just trying
Yeah.
to find the.
This is what happens when you have Instagram is camping. There's just cameras everywhere.
It's not over the
No, I'm just got the light on, mate.
It's helping heaps.
Oh.